Have you ever wondered why other people's orchids always bloom beautifully while yours just won't? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive into the reasons behind that and share some easy tips to get your orchid to bloom like never before. The star of today's video is our beautiful orchid. The roots of this orchid are in pretty bad shape. They're rotting quite a bit and even showing signs of mold. Mold and rotting roots can prevent the orchid from absorbing nutrients and water properly, which can lead to stunted growth or even the death of the plant. Let's gently remove the old, damaged roots together. Do you know why orchid leaves turn yellow? Take a guess in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. And don't worry, I'll explain everything in just a bit. This rotten root has completely snapped off. Once we started removing all the old roots from this orchid, we realized just how many of them were actually rotten. Next up, let's trim off all those rotten roots. Let's carefully trim the rotten roots right at the base of the plant. Just be gentle and precise so we don't damage any healthy tissue. Don't forget to rinse your orchid with clean water. Give the roots a good rinse too. Make sure to gently scrub and remove all the dirt and grime too. Also, where are you tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're struggling with anything in your orchid care journey, let me know. Let's learn and grow together. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Next, we're going to use one red beetroot. Sliced it out. chop the beetroot into small pieces so we can release all those amazing nutrients. What do you think is the most important thing for an orchid to stay healthy? Light, water, or nutrients? Drop 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. Let's see what you think, and I'll share my tips in the next video. Prepare 1 ripe banana. Sliced it out. Banana is such an easy to find and great ingredient for plant care. It's packed with potassium, phosphorus, and other nutrients that help promote strong roots and healthy growth for your orchids. Pouring 500 milliliters of warm water. Stir the solution. Add 100 milliliters of beer. Stir the solution. Soak it for 3 weeks. I've already prepared this solution, so let's mix it together and go through the steps for taking care of your orchid. We'll use 50 milliliters of water to dilute this essence. Dilute the juice with 2 liters of clean water. By diluting the solution, we ensure that the plant gets just the right amount of nutrients it needs to thrive without causing any harm. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Using this solution to wipe the orchid helps the plant absorb all the beneficial nutrients like the vitamins and minerals from the beetroot, the potassium from the banana, and the natural enzymes from the beer. Pour the solution into a small bottle. Soaking the orchid in this solution after trimming the rotten roots will help the plant recover faster. The nutrients from the beetroot, banana, and beer will promote healing, encourage new root growth, and boost the plant's overall health. After soaking the orchid for 30 minutes, we'll take it out and get ready for the next step. Next, we'll use turmeric powder to help dry out the wound. Turmeric has natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for preventing infection and promoting healing on the orchid's roots. Just sprinkle a little over the cut areas, and it will work its magic to protect and heal the plant. Let's prepare a new home for the orchid. If you could only choose one tip to save a weak orchid, what would it be? Let's share our best tricks. Drop your go-to orchid care tips in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Secure the orchid in its new pot using moss and pine bark. The leftover solution can be used to water other plants or spray on your orchids for a boost of nutrients. We can dip a cotton pad into the solution and gently wipe the orchid. This helps the orchid absorb nutrients through its leaves while also removing any dust or dirt. Make sure to wipe gently to avoid harming the delicate leaves. Make sure to wipe gently to avoid harming the delicate leaves. What's the biggest challenge you're facing when it comes to orchid care? Drop a comment and I'll help you out in the next video. Alternatively, You can use a spray bottle to thoroughly soak the plant. Water the orchid like this every 2 days for consistent nourishment. This routine will provide your orchid with a steady supply of nutrients without overdoing it. Just be sure to check the moisture level in the soil and adjust the watering schedule if needed. After just 4 weeks of proper care, you can already see the amazing difference. The leaves are not only thicker, but they've also become much healthier and more vibrant. The new roots have started to grow more vigorously, and they're now a lush, healthy green. It's amazing to see how the plant has adapted and thrived, with its roots becoming stronger and more abundant. And that's a wrap for today's orchid care journey. I'm so excited to see how much progress we've made in just a few weeks. The roots are thriving, the leaves are healthier, and this little orchid is on its way to blooming beautifully. Remember, a little patience and the right care can make all the difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing healthy, happy plants.